Yeah. What's on again? Manyangatsi the komisasa. So look, no subscribe and the kombelo subscribe. To those who are new and poster Xitsonga music updates and Xitsonga music content analysis on a weekly basis. Now I'm saying I'm subscribe. I can't compare me subscribe. Nangwen. So sharing bread. That's boy. So anyways, Xitsonga on this video nakurangani. I'm wesho kuni endli mistake when I first heard about Kulbi. Like on my first response to his music, I made a mistake. And to Kulbi like at that stage you pick where you pick people that are not just you. Wakufika music I didn't believe because of his sound by that time he will make it out of that stage, because stage is samba stage lisenje vula kulish papa Rhulani ngakasho lishesha ku wakufika lisheshena kamfundisi karwa lockdown wakufika, all the attention is directed to you, and why is I second on her delivering good music. I didn't believe Kulbi would make it to this stage lishwa stage where is comfortable, where is now has fans, where is delivering good music. Okay, I've noticed something. Go the record label masculam ata phone go puchum radio stations naswona swa phone go puchum because people live online. The power now, everyone has TikTok with it. If you're a musician, before you go to anyone who's supposed to promote your music, first go to TikTok, then YouTube will come. Because TikTok is a place where people will get first hear your music. Then also that end that's why YouTube that's why say go promote that for commercial reasons, or if artists are because TikTok 30 seconds, 1 minute thing, which is people can get to like your song. So says Mara, so YouTube is for commercial reasons. Let's also say logo lakushavit, say logo so kumaba sekiteri labangata suka like YouTube. Let me go and listen to the whole album. Let me go and listen to everything else. But the first place to go and promote your stuff, it's TikTok. I'm not lying. Society sort of like TikTok. It's one. If you keep follow the promoters, the promoting platforms to not record labels also happen, and people get discovered on TikTok. And let's determine now what's happening. It's the music that they give after that peak. So I thought maybe it could be was a TikTok artist. I know I was saying as a TikTok artist because most of his songs are Sunglen after 30 seconds earlier work with one TikTok, but when you go and listen to the song, but I think kuna nkarhi n'wana mani swi tsala ka Facebook if message wu fikeli ka yena and twanga ku sweswiwani u endla swona leswi swo risimu swi ri ba hinkwaro. Ringa happy leswi 30 seconds yo tsakisa ka TikTok ntsena. So before ni ya mahlweni kombela if mi le ku voneni ku na testing one man ni nga hlangana hi nga nakela for promotion nga ni sendela same tinharhu lahli data on my WhatsApp and I lost these numbers also. Shluman something. I've been trying to search him. Hlangani ka events this artist. I don't know if itlangela ya mabebano or not. But then please, if you know him, Shluman something, tell him to text me if you know him, if you know who he is on Facebook, I'll go and get his details so we can continue doing where we stop. So could be shift again, and the could be civic. And you see wange, but the sound that has been playing is too diverse to an extent. So I lose a market cover song. And I think one mistake that I made was doing a feature with Kulbi. And then after I consistent. So she gets Kulbi. She consistent and she looked again in the sitting below Taban Botal, which wouldn't be so if NC was consistently producing music as boy was an album then. I think lesheba swendla kuman so ba umesa album ka this mainstream thing ba umesa album kuma ku umesa album but then like album focus on one song kufamba ka karhi a va kha choose ti-single. I think that would work for NEC, because now it seems like it's losing touch online more and more, and music wa vona va xonisa ngopfu online. A performance wise NEC has cemented this place atimbilwini ta hina, ha tsaka loko hi hlangana na vona. So that was an advice that I think makes sense. Album ya President Mayengani sunguriwile and yi tlangiwa hi Hlawu Bhegupta as confirmed by Mfumu Masing. Yona ngwenya yi nga posta ka Facebook and is very close to Ben Mayengani, so I'm using him as a source. We posted the other day that Hlawu na Ben are in studio, and for sure it was after a call with Ben, because I've seen and said someone ku ri Beni ku na vanhu lava u swi tivaka lavawani lava hi tshamaka na vona. Yo fana na Majomela wa Mfumo these are the people that Joni, these are the people that he calls and let them know he was from Lawa. These are the people that at the event, these are the people that he keep close to him. Some drive his cars and stuff like that. So these are the most reliable source currently. So being album main Sungurwini, I don't know anything about it yet, but then let's hope it's gonna be a good album. Album ya Manzandlena hile endleleni. Xitsonga Music Awards vulavuli munghana lwana mina na sasa le ya nominations ta vona, but anyways hi ku komisa a ni nyika update ya leswi ni swi tivaka so far. Hayi foni leyi endla nga ni hlambangi leswi ni swi tivaka so far swa music wa Xitsonga. So subscriber and usiku updates kahle content ya mina dependa ka ku va kha ku humeleleni nkarhi wolowo. Loko nga humeleli nchumu nga hlamali loko ni pfa ni nyamalala, because there won't be any content unless otherwise there's an artist that I'm going to be promoting, or the interviews that I'm going to shoot in that artist which I'm promoting, which comes to a conclusion ya ku loko ri munhu lava promotions kumbe ka 0649689940. I mean, I do uploading music online, interviews, but for me the interviews leti ni twaka ku ti fambaka ngopfu loko ni interview ngopfu ti interviews ta vanhu lava maybe who have done something, who have a nice story to tell, because you can't watch an interview nga ku ile ka Munghana Lonene to those basic questions. So man, but the basic questions, I want it to be interesting. So if you have an interesting story, contact me. Wanna go push in the name of peace. Aye, but I'm going to subscribe and come back. Subscribe.